So, disclaimer, Syncwire sent this to me for review, and I think I like it. The texture of the box is very sturdy. It looks like it's sturdy, and it's supposed to be waterproof, but me, I don't like to test it if it's truly waterproof or not, because I'm scared it might ruin the product. But if at some point in the future, while I am using this and it is, you know, water gets spilled on it or any type of drink gets spilled on it and it isn't waterproof, I will say something on my YouTube video, on this video, on the description box. But for now, I'm not going to test it like that. But so far, I like the shape of it. It's very convenient. It has like a handle over here where you can carry it, and there's also a thingy here, a snap thingy where you can attach it to your backpack or your luggage. So it is convenient, and it holds a lot of things. It's very convenient. The zipper is very smooth. Although they have their brand over here, it's very discreet. It's not loud or like really out there. It's not a very bright color. It's not very obvious. The color, I love the color. It's gray. So Syncwire, thank you for sending this to me. To my viewers and subscribers, I hope you like this unboxing and quick review or first impression of this product. If you are already a subscriber to my channel, thank you so much for always watching my YouTube videos. And if you are new and you like what I'm doing here, don't forget to hit like and then subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching. If you are a company or you want to sponsor me, my email address is in the description box down below. Thank you.